The first time I attempted to grow tomatoes in my home garden, I envisioned baskets spilling over with ripe maroon fruits that would fill every corner of my garden beds. A lone tomato reaped pity, since the pudding was pale and sad. In front of witnesses, yellow leaves aplenty. Standing alone in the backyard up the balcony, you might have asked, what am I doing wrong? Indeed, tomatoes are generous plants, but only when they see you have had a good understanding of their requirements. Today, we will learn the tricks for successful growing of tomatoes at home and, much more importantly, avoiding the common mistakes that ruin the vitality of these plants. Get the foundation right. Sunshine is heaven for a tomato. There is no way around this. Tomatoes require at the very minimum 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight due to primary reason. With only this much sunlight, tomatoes will make the plants nothing but tall and green, but with fewer fruits. Find a sunny area in your garden. And if growing in pots, make sure to place the pot where they can actually follow the sun. Use a well-drained potting mix rich in organic matter. Keep in mind that tomatoes absolutely detest soggy soil. Soggy soil is their equivalent of wet socks. Mistake 1. Over-watering. Most of the basic errors are made in relationship to over-watering the plant. Tomatoes want to be watered, but not every day. Given the choice between more frequent watering or less consistent watering, tomatoes tend to prefer the latter. We can therefore say that when the top 1 inch of soil feels dry, watering becomes due. Water with a deep soak from the base of the pot and not from the leaves. This encourages strong root development and minimizes diseases. Mistake 2. Not enough sunlight. When healthy-looking plants refuse to flower or fruit, it is usually a sign of either indoor or balcony setting with little light. Tomatoes are sun-starved. With lesser sunlight, there will be limited tomatoes. Simple as that. Preferably, your indoor or balcony setting should be where the plant receives abundant light if needed. Use grow lights to keep the plant productive. Feeding your tomatoes properly. Tomatoes are considered heavy feeders. They need nutrients in order to form good fruits, especially nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Yet too much nitrogen means large green leaves with little to no tomatoes. Start with a balanced fertilizer, and then when flower buds appear, start with one higher in phosphorus and potassium. Compost, worm casting or fertilizers formulated for tomato works wonder. Mistake 3. Nutrients imbalance. If your tomatoes are flowering but dropping blossom or producing small tasteless fruits, your plant may be out of balance. Yellowing leaves can indicate nutrients deficiency, while excess growth of foliage can signal too much nitrogen. Moderate and consistent feeding is the secret. Think of it as providing a balanced diet, not a feast. Support and pruning. Supporting the tomato plants is imperative. The stakes, hedge trellises may keep fruits off the ground and allow airflow. Pruning excessive suckers becomes even more beneficial to keep plant life focused on fruit production and not wild growth. Mistake 4. Ignoring pests. Like us, aphids, hornworms, and whiteflies are crazy for tomatoes. Inspect your plants regularly. Early detection makes all the differences. Use natural solutions like neem oil, insecticide soap, or simply handpick pests when possible. Healthy plants are less attractive to bugs. Therefore, good watering and feeding practices go a long way. Mistake 5. Giving up too early. Tomatoes are patient crops. They grow slow in the beginning and suddenly go on a rampant growth and fruiting spree. Many beginners throw in the towel just before the magic happens. Hang around a bit longer. Harvest and enjoy. Tomatoes should be harvested when they are fully colored with a bit of softness to the touch. The flavor of the homegrown tomatoes worn by the sun is worth all effort. Growing tomatoes at home isn't about achieving perfect result. It is about learning, adjusting, and enjoying that journey. Once you know what they need, tomatoes become some of the most satisfying plants you will grow. If you like the information and want more simple and practical gardening tips, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell so that you never miss an update. Happy growing and see you all in the next video.